What's up? What's up? It's your girl, OG Bobby Johnson.
What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy OG, man. And we back with another reaction, man.
This is not a reaction. This is a mukbang.
This is a mukbang, right?
So, we got us some Pizza Hut wings, cause them the, did we tell them to try them hard?
No.
Them the only wings I really like, cause I'm funny with chicken. It can't be too big. I don't like big
crazy,
chicken.
y'all. She don't like big chicken.
And this one too big. It looks too big. That's a big old piece of chicken. But OJ said he had something he wanted to talk about. Oh yeah, we got some fries too. I mean, OJ got some wings.
I'm finna play my music.
What kind of wings these is?
They supposed to be honey barbecue.
Oh, them barbecue.
Yes.
I got mild buffalo. And we got some fries.
Oh, look, man.
Look at our short time. What happened to the music? And we got this one. He got, it look like his red. It looks like it's better than mine.
Check mine out. My moving dog. I wrote this last year.
2020 different. All these losses we done took got me so speechless. So many faces on t-shirts, visuals with funerals. Everything into myself, wondering what's gonna happen next. But I got you, I can't keep this on my mind. Got you, I can't keep this on my mind. Cause nobody told me that the world would be there.
Now I got my ranch.
Even with each one to leave me. Nobody told me that the world would be there. Now I don't believe even with each one to leave me.
That one of my jumps out.
I know it's a rainbow here for every store.
That one of my jumps.
It's just out here trying to get my serious about his movie.
Yeah. I just ain't been on, really.
You ain't been
I ain't have a
on
passion.
nothing. You ain't have a passion.
I love my passion for, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy.
Well, you need to find it.
I know, right? A lot of people been calling me, want me to do something. But I just been getting a run around with you. You gotta be passionate about what you do, cause you from a breaking, you be okay with the
Why
work.
they be having this little black stuff on?
Oh my God, yeah, she eat chicken, y'all. She be talking about some black. It's chicken.
That's like blood or something.
No, but
Yes, it is. You see that? It's hot me too. I have to eat chicken in the dog. What happened to the music?
I'm gonna pay no one of my jumps, y'all.
It's the chicken for me.
If only y'all knew. Oh my God.
I like the little sauce that be on it.
Hey, I want y'all to take a joint. I had wrote this joint with my wife. I just wrote a couple of them. Did you see that? Video I tagged you in? Remember how I wrote this song?
Hold on, we'll be right back. We're back.
What? I'm napping.
Nope.
Wow.
I'm gonna
But yeah.
Let me lick your finger.
No, I'm trying to read about my mind.
Look y'all down.
I'm gonna play another one of my junk shop. I wrote this one. I wrote a couple songs for mine.
You know what's on my mind. I will never ever leave your side. Together through a spot is what we vow. And love should never ever grow apart. Let's go far away, where the stars away. Let's go far.
I don't like when they be big, cause
Where the stars away.
no, they don't be like chicken.
Let you know
That's like
what's on
all
my
fat.
mind.
I don't like fat chicken.
Never ever leave your side.
Still like that chicken.
Together do us part is what we found.
See
Right?
all that fat in there?
Love should never ever go.
He do something here.
Let's go far
I can't even eat that.
away. Where the stars
Go to Arby's.
away.
That's what we got.
Yep. I can't use he more like family.
I don't like how much fat on these big pieces of chicken.
That was another one. I'm gonna play another jump, y'all. I think it was on Facebook.
I really think I like lean chicken and stuff. The skinny ones, I ate them, but the fat ones, they got too much fat on them.
So you like the fat.
I don't like fat pieces of chicken.
Keep looking at the dog.
Mhm.
You do. You can't fuck with the dog.
But I really like the sauce. I really play with the fat chicken. Cause it be having too much fat on it.
That dog really is this man's best friend. Like, no cap. Now, he pay attention to his dog. He pay attention to that dog walk. It's crazy. I think they just got the car. I guess he was trying to see if he was stiff a little bit. He was watching how he was walking. It's crazy, bro. These folks flying. Little dogs. Man, dick.
Want some buffalo chicken? I should have saved them 2 pieces.
You put that in there.
Without playing with them. Without playing.
To throw it to the dog.
He probably down there his dog eat chicken. I really thought this was gonna be good because every time we go to Pizza Hut, they always give me the right size chicken and everything.
You might even tell them don't like the big dog.
And then they gave me these big, fat, sloppy, fat chickens. I really just like the sauce they put on it, I think. I'm gonna have to get OJ to make me some slim chicken. What happened to the music?
I'm gonna play along like this.
I guess we'll give y'all one more song because we're done eating this fat chicken. Finna start seeing a lot more of OG Man and OG Bobby Johnson. Y'all ready? Tell us what videos y'all want to see us do, react to in the comments.
Yeah, let us know, man, what y'all want us to do, man. You know what I'm saying?
I want to do a Q&A, but y'all gotta send me some questions. And whoever y'all is. I don't know yet because I only got 5. We only got 5 subscribers.
It's all right.
We need everybody watching this video. If you watch this video, go subscribe to our channel.
If your kids got a YouTube,
Go subscribe.
get them the phone. You know what I'm saying? We gonna have, we got some, hey, we got a lot of kids stuff coming in.
Go
I got some
follow
coming
our
for the
family
grown
channel.
folks. You know what I'm saying? I got some skits coming. You know.
Follow our family
Yeah,
channel
I'm talented.
for the clean
I'm real talented
videos for the kids.
for the kids. Man, y'all, we looking for a house, y'all. I'm gonna tell you something, bro. It's more work looking for a house than it is for an apartment. Cause you gotta think about what if you want to stay by the cemetery, the school, the police. You know what I'm saying? It's
Definitely not by the police.
definitely not by the po-po. But it's crazy how when you look for a house, it's certain stuff you look for. You look for a gate.
Your
Your
neighbors,
neighbors got to
are
be
they
clean.
quarters? Do they got fucking cemetery look in their
I
yard?
seen a lady with so many trees in her yard. I thought it was Jurassic Park.
Like, don't nobody want to live next door to you. You got all that stuff in your yard. Then they don't even be coordinating.
You
It
got
just be out.
You got squirrel nests, bird nests, raccoon nests, all it's there with bees, wasps.
Old car tires. Like
My
you
God.
gonna use them again.
That's crazy. But yeah, it's
Got 1984 Cadillac sitting in the garden.
you got a car you ain't 50 people that stop by your house and ask you what you gonna sell it. You still ain't sold the car, still ain't did nothing to it. Sell that damn car. Damn, that was wrong. We were trying to hold on to everything. Bro, when we dead and gone, you can't take none of that shit. Cause get what? They gonna argue about it anyway. He let me ride it one time, so he said I could get it.
I do not want to live next door to no quarter.
Please don't.
Definitely
I'm
not.
gonna tell y'all
in the
about our
hood.
experience. I'm tell you about our experience. We moved in the apartment. This lady moved in our apartment. And she kept putting the trash by the door. So one day she said, "You going by the trash?" I said, "Yeah, it's over here." I'm not gonna take your fucking trash. Like, no ma'am. The trash can's over here. You see it when you pull up. It's a trash can over there. You putting all these little bags in front of y'all. When she first moved, I said, "Look, hey, you might want to start taking." I lied to her. I said, "You might want to start taking it over, cause they tripping." And she probably caught on that they wasn't saying nothing about it. So yeah, man, I tried to stop her, man. Look, then I come outside.
So then I got somebody to take my garbage can.
She done took a whole box. She had a chair, a table. Then left the whole box outside the damn door. Man, stuff flying everywhere. She got the plastic down on the ground. She had the instructions on the ground. I'm like, Lord, she just making the community look bad.
So we definitely don't want to live next to no people that don't care about what's around us.
Right.
Like, because I care.
I also don't want to stay nowhere near nobody that don't care what time their kids come home. You would not influence my kids. You would not be in my kids' house in their room playing the damn game. And your mama not up there. What Tay-Tay at? Tay-Tay better not have his ass in here.
They won't even be at my house because I don't like kids.
What? No.
Everybody, the game ain't got full control.
Y'all know what's so crazy? I've been staying in my apartment almost a year and I ain't had no company, period. And I ain't gonna even call family company.
One time, OJ cousin came over.
One time my cousin had to use the bathroom. The man had to use the bathroom. They just walked in.
It was weird because we had never had company.
I ain't never had shit. I felt my house. I had to look at my house. Thought my house would put my ass out because I ain't never had nobody in it. But yeah, it was different. He came in there and used the bathroom. I said, God damn, I was nervous the whole time. Like I had some damn money on the floor. Money in the toilet.
We just not used to it. I guess we are used to people coming over our house because of Corona.
No, I don't do
And
company.
then it was like in the midst of Corona, so we was around in a selective few.
Folks sneeze on you, sneeze on their hand. You don't know, digging their ass before they came to your house. It's a lot. It's digging their nose, put the boogers in the corner of their fingernail.
You nasty.
There's some nasty
People
niggas out
be
here.
doing that.
Shit. I know a nigga used to eat boogers. He probably do if he watching this.
I think I ate a booger before.
She ate boogers before, y'all. Bobby the booger eater. Look
I
her up.
I used to bite my toenails.
She went to Westwood Elementary.
But I never digged in my booty. and then wash my hands.
Oh my God. But yeah, man, you gotta be careful with the corona stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, cause man. And that's another reason why it's like during the time, it's very serious that all companies, all stores, they wash their bathroom thoroughly. Now y'all need to get in the motherfuckers. Y'all need to hire some Mexicans, cause Mexicans they clean, they thorough with them motherfuckers around the clock. Shit, you be coming in there motherfuckers smelling piss, and there's too many you smell the Clorox. And in the warehouse, they like, since the corona, I seen it, cause I've been to a couple sites. They own it, you know what I'm saying? But man, you gotta be careful, man.
I've been quarantining with the kids.
See what that is? See what that? That's how you put it on. You rub your hand together, get the backside. Sometimes you need a little bit more, you know?
We got
keep
stuff
it going.
Coming for y'all, though. We ain't gonna drag this video along.
Yeah, we ain't gonna drag it, man. We just chilling, man.
But we got a lot of stuff coming. We finna be working way more. We making commitments. We going full time. Finna have a lot of fun.
We have a lot of fun.
Record a lot of.
Y'all see my chain, don't it? Yeah, O-J. You know what I'm saying? This is the first chain I bought. But the next chain gonna say Oh Jizzle. The whole joint. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We got something right
You
here.
got appreciate you, baby. You got to style somewhere. See that's evidence that shit was good. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, we ain't gonna drag this joint out, man, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have peace. You know what I'm saying? Be safe.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, Jizzle, man.
Get us some energy on the way out.
Like, comment, and subscribe.